So there are four types of the events that activates the sympathetic nervous system. Some sort of the emergency, excitement, embarrassment or exercise or extra activity of the animal body, right? So in these situations, the sympathetic nervous system slows down the body functions that are not required at that time and provides all the energy and all the focus to those parts which are directly responsible to deal with those changes in the stimuli. Right, so hence it is called fight or flight response. Either the animal will will confront the situation and deal accordingly, or it will just run away from that situation. The opposite to that sympathetic nervous system is the parasympathetic nervous system. That parasympathetic nervous system balances the sympathetic nervous system, right? Once the situation is over. Like any danger, when it is gone, that the functions of the body which were shut down by the sympathetic nervous system will resume its functioning by the help of parasympathetic nervous response, and the animal will start its normal body functioning. So this is the generalized diagram which tells you that what functions are become more intensified in different situations. If we talk about the sympathetic nervous system, where the body has to respond to the quick change, you will notice the dilation of the pupils in the eyes of the animal, then increase in this inhibits the flow of the saliva or mouth dryness, accelerates the heart rate, right? इसी तरह deep breathing starts, inhibits the peristaltic and secretory movements within the digestive system and conversion of the sugars to glucose. The conversion of the excess glycogen to the glucose to provide extra energy if it is required to the flight or fight response, right? And so on and so forth. And when you come to the parasympathetic nervous system, you will see that everything is reversed, where that the pupil becomes at this normal form, normal shape. So saliva starts producing, salivary glands start producing saliva and releasing that for the normal functioning. Heart rate slows down to become normal, and breathing becomes normal. Similarly, the digestion and the digestive enzymes that start their functions, and everything returns back. It's normal. Right, so that was about those. Now the components of the nervous system. So there are basically multiple different types of the cells are present in the nervous system. Some of them are sensory in nature, but most of them are not sensory in nature.